My name is Eva, and I'm the Partner Sales Lead covering Intelligent Cloud in EMEA. Want to know more about Intelligent Cloud? Come to one of our workshops. Today, we want to talk about the complexity in the cloud environment and how we can help you govern your business. We know that organizations have been putting a lot of efforts and resource to go through the digital transformation. We also know that users in enterprise are trying to accelerate and be more agile by putting a lot of project and application in the cloud. It creates a new set of complexity for organization. How to manage the millions of resources that they have, different cloud vendor, different platform. And this complexity can cost a lot to your organization, not only from a money-wise, but also for managing the policy and the go-to-market of the organization. Does governance is the answer for that complexity? Let's see. Wiki defines governance as a structured set of rules and norms that drive results. In cloud computing, governance is the secret sauce for success. For me, governance in cloud computing is the way that organizations can apply policies on how, why, and for which purpose we are using these cloud services. It can be data, it can be API management, or any cloud services that we are using. But the question is if organizations are looking at governance in that way. And I believe that not yet. And that's what we want to discuss today. There is no one solution that fits all for the governance. Every organization needs to find the right combination of technology and policy to implement in his organization. But we want to present for you today how we can do that in a more structured way. Azure and the tool that we provide give you a good starting point to apply governance and make sure that your cloud project won't be a failure, but a big success. One element of governance is actually managing your cost. And it's super important when you have multiple projects in the cloud or multiple vendors. That's why when we look at the future and we see IDC prediction that by 2025, 60% of the IT project will be in public cloud, we know that we need to build our governance structure today. We know that this growth in cloud computing will increase the challenge that organizations need to deal with, like how we optimizing the current infrastructure and the one that stay on-premise, how we improve better our budgeting and forecasting of the future, how we reduce costs while we're still scaling up our work and project into the cloud. Microsoft have many ways to help customers manage better their cost. It starts with our price match commitment. It goes through RI, through Azure hybrid benefits. But today, for the discussion today, we will discuss about Azure Cost Management by Cloudin. It's a tool that we are very proud of because it helps you to really manage your costs in a very effective way, not only on Azure, but across all your multi-cloud environment. Azure Cost Management gives you the ability to monitor your cloud spend, to drive organizational accountability, and more than that, optimize your cloud efficiency. Let's talk a little bit about all of those pillars. What does it mean monitor your cloud spend? With Azure Cost Management, you can actually gain access to rich insights of the use of your services. For example, idle services that are not being used for a while. Do we need them? Can we shut them down? Maybe we can do something else with them. Or for example, going to the granular data that we have today and really give a daily or a monthly view of the use that we are doing that per project, per business unit, per any other definition that you want. We give you the ability through Azure Cost Management to have an intuitive dashboard of all your cloud spend. Again, not only on Azure platform, but across your multi-cloud platform. And it gives you a powerful tool to see where your money goes and if you can use it better. Cloud is not an IT project. Compared to what we know in the past, that every IT project was in the responsibility of the IT department and that's it, cloud is across the organization. And we need to change the behavior and make sure that all the organization take responsibility and accountability on our cloud project. Azure Cost Management helps us do that. We can actually tag the cloud services and cost to the different business units and different projects. We can give every user a visibility on how his services are being used, and now we can optimize them and be more efficient. That's a big shift, and a big shift in the DNA of the organization that help us to leverage the cloud and really make it a successful platform for our go-to-market as an organization. The last piece is, of course, improving and optimizing cloud efficiency. Improving cloud efficiency is the best way to improve the ROI of our project. We know how much tough it is to get money for a project. We know how tough it is to prove the ability to really create more impact and growth through investing money. That's why it's very important that we will make sure that every service that we are using is super efficient and really contribute to the purpose that we want them to contribute to. Azure Cost Management gives us this ability. It helps us to demonstrate the use of every service in every project that we have as a company. I know that I said great stuff on Azure Cost Management, and of course I'm saying that because I'm working for Microsoft, but not only us think it's a good thing. A study that Forrester ran for us in 2016 demonstrates that an average enterprise customer that implements the service actually managed to reduce $300K in his cloud spend. It's a lot of money, $300K in 1 year. Looking ahead for 3 years time frame, we are talking about $1.3 million cost saving in the cloud spend. Again, taking you back to the fact that by 2025, 60% of our IT project will be in the cloud. This saving is significant. And the saving is not only in the cloud spend, it's also in the man hours that the organization need to put in order to accelerate its IT platform. We are talking about 320 to 480 hours in average per year that we are saving through the use of Azure Cost Management. Looking ahead and looking back on all the customers that using the Azure Cost Management, we can demonstrate 286% ROI by using Azure Cost Management. It's significant. Forrester research demonstrates significant numbers, significant impact that Azure Cost Management can deliver. When you look on the overall impact that Azure Cost Management managed to create in the last couple of years, you understand why. Today, Azure Cost Management covers 15% of total worldwide cloud spend, more than 400,000 concurrent virtual machines, more than 12,000 accounts, and 15,000 applications. It's a huge number, and now we can understand why Azure Cost Management creates this significant impact. If we look from a customer point of view, customers are reporting that Azure Cost Management improved their efficiency by 20 to 25% after 3 to 6 months. Very short period to demonstrate impact, and we encourage you all to try Azure Cost Management. And we cannot finish that discussion without a proof from the field. We have Watson & Condor, a partner, a CSP partner that used Azure Cost Management for his own cloud spend and for his customer cloud spend. And you can see the quote from their vice president. Azure Cost Management is a powerful tool, and we encourage you all to come to our workshop and learn more. We are waiting for you. Thank you.